particular platform, which I am going to review towards the end of this video, will definitely pay you the sum of 100 USDT for just signing up with the platform. And that is not all. When you multiply 100 USDT by the current rate of naira to dollar, which is 1,600 multiplied by 100, you are going to be getting the sum of 160,000 naira. And this platform is going to pay you that 160,000 naira for just signing up in the platform. Right now, that is not all. When you sign up, and then every single day this same platform will pay you at least the sum of $2 every single day. All right, every single day. And when you still proceed to check how much that will be in the current rate right now, you will be getting the sum of 3,200 naira every single day, aside the 100 USDT that has been given to you. All right, so I'm going to take us step by step how you are going to get started, right? The things you need to do in order to earn money from this particular platform, how you can be able to withdraw your earning, which is the most sweetest part of the video, right? One thing is making money online, and another thing is being able to withdraw your earnings online. And last but not the least, I will still show you how you can also make more money using this same particular platform and my honest opinion concerning this particular platform. So in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to make significant amount of money online and offline. So you know what to do, right? Just go ahead now and join this awesome family by clicking on that subscribe button. Yes, just go ahead right now, click on the subscribe button, then turn on the bell notification, and that is the most important thing, because that bell notification always notify you anytime we upload awesome video that can make you significant amount of money online every single day. All right, now before jumping into this video, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to click the like button of the video. Yes, just go now and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are about to get in today's video, guys. So I believe you have joined the family by smashing the subscribe button, then go ahead and click the like button. So with all this being said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Once you click on the link I'll be revealing towards the end of this video, it will bring you to this interface, right, which is the registration aspect of the platform. So what you have to do is to go ahead and type in your email address right inside this box, right, and then go ahead and choose a particular password which you will always remember. And then after that, I want you to go ahead and click over here that says sign up, and that is how you can be able to get registered with this platform, which is very simple to register. So once you are done registering with this platform, they are going to give you the sum of 100 USDT. So let me log into my account so we can proceed with the next step you are going to take, which is how you can be able to earn money from this particular platform. All right, let's go, guys. Once you've registered and you've logged in, this is the interface you are going to see. This is kind of an announcement telling you the things about this particular platform, how you can be able to navigate the platform and the rest of them. So what you have to do is just to go ahead and click on I know, right? Okay, so once you click on I know, it will definitely bring you over to this interface, which is the home page. So when you scroll down, you are going to be seeing the various benefits you'll be getting on a daily basis when you choose a particular VIP. So let's say you are working with this first VIP. Every single day you will be getting bonus after completing a task. Then how do you complete this particular task? Just click on the particular task given to you every single day, allow it to load, and you will get at least $2 in your account. So let's say you are working with the VIP 2. Every single day you will be getting the sum of 10 USDT, and then the VIP 3, the same thing, you will be getting the sum of 38 USDT every single day. When you also proceed working with the VIP 4, you will be getting the sum of 88 USDT. And when you still scroll down, you are going to see different commissions you will be getting every single day when you are working with a particular VIP. All right, now how do you earn money from this particular platform? When you look over here, you discover that this platform have VIP. So let's click on the VIP and see the various VIP we can be able to make use of in this particular platform. So they have VIP 1, which is over here, right? VIP 1. And then to activate this particular VIP 1, you are going to deposit the sum of 12 USDT. Remember, you already have the sum of 100 USDT already, right? So once you deposit the sum of 12 USDT, which you can see over here, so every single day, that is how you can be able to be getting the sum of 2 USDT every single day. And when you proceed to work with the VIP 2, you are supposed to deposit at least 148 USDT, and every single day you will be getting the sum of 10 USDT, right? When you also proceed to work with the VIP 3 and deposit the sum of 268 USDT, guys, every single day you'll be getting daily commission of 38 USDT, right? Then the same thing is applicable with the VIP 4. When you deposit the sum of 488 USDT, your daily commission or profit will be the sum of 88 USDT, and towards the end of the VIP which you unlocked, you'll be getting the total of 8,800 USDT. Guys, don't worry, we are going to get to the bottom of this particular platform, and I will definitely show you or let you know my honest opinion concerning this particular platform, right? Yes, so guys, like I always say in my video, one thing is making money online and another thing is being able to withdraw your money. And as well as you make money online, you just have to be very careful so as not to lose any single money online. All right, so how do you activate this particular VIP or any type of VIP? What you have to do is to go over here that says me. Okay, yes, I'm going to be honest with you, and I'm always honest with you in all of my videos. So you have to click on the me. So what we click on the me, this is the interface you are going to see, right? Over here is recharge, here is withdrawal, here is account, and here is financial record. So the recharge is for you to be able to recharge your account, which is sending some particular amount of money in order to activate any particular VIP, right? And withdraw is when you are about to make a withdrawal, which is obvious. So financial record is when you want to see how much withdrawals you've done or the whole transaction you've ever done with this particular platform. Right, so let's say we want to recharge our account in order to activate a particular VIP. All we need to do is just to click on the recharge, and once you click on the recharge, you are definitely going to see two different methods you can be able to use in order to recharge your account. We have TRX, we have TRC20 USDT. So anyone you prefer, you can be able to just click on that particular one and then proceed recharging your account. So let's use the TRC20 USDT. So once you click on that, the platform will automatically generate a wallet address, a USDT wallet address, which you can be able to just copy and then head over to your Binance, Bybit, Trust Wallets, KuCoin, and the rest of them, right? And then transfer a particular amount of USDT using the wallet address, and you'll definitely get it in this particular platform. So when you look over here, you will see the transaction instructions. The first one says copy the address above or scan the QR code and then select Tron TRC20 network to deposit USDT. The second one says please do not recharge other non-Tron, which is TRC20 USDT assets. The funds will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes. Then the third one says if it does not arrive for a long time, please refresh the page or contact customer care. All right, so what you have to do is just to proceed clicking on the copy. So once you click on the copy, proceed to your Binance, Bybit, Trust Wallets, and the rest of them. Any platform you can be able to use to transact crypto, just deposit the certain amount of USDT you would want, and then in 1 to 3 minutes you are going to definitely get it in your platform. All right, so this is how you can be able to recharge your account. So what are the tasks you need to do in order to perform any single task? You are going to click over here that says task, right? So once you click on the task, if there's any particular task for you to perform each day, you are going to see it over here. So how do you perform the task? Just go ahead and click on that particular task. It will load and you will get at least minimum of $2 every single day. So how do you withdraw your earning after you must have made money using this particular platform? So go ahead and click over here that says me, right? Yeah, so once you click on me, it will also bring you back to this interface. Just go ahead and click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, it will definitely bring you over to this interface. So you are going to see your withdrawable balance over here, right? So what you have to do is to go ahead and then type in how much or how many USDT or the quantity of the USDT you would want to withdraw. Then right inside this box, you are going to paste your own USDT wallet address. Then go ahead and type in your password over here. So after that, go ahead and click on confirm, and that is how you can be able to do your withdrawal. All right, so I am definitely going to test this particular platform, and then if I should make money, I am going to make a video showing you that the platform is legit. All right, so if you would want to join me in testing out this platform, relax, I will be dropping the link for the platform towards the end of this video, and then both of us can test it out. All right, if you have gotten to this extent, I want to say congratulations to you, and I want you to do something for me. Go ahead now and click on that like button in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. Right, yes, go ahead and click on the like button in appreciation. So the next step, or how you can be able to make money from this particular platform other than performing a task, is through referral. Yes, so how do you refer? Just go back to this interface, click here that says team. So once you click on the team, it's going to bring you over here. Just go ahead and click on copy link, which is your referral link. So share with your families and friends, and then anybody that registers with your link, you will definitely get a commission. Okay, so guys, this is what I have for us in today's video, right? And then remember, we'll have a WhatsApp group where we post various ways and strategies you can be able to earn a lot of money online for yourself, and I will be leaving the link for the WhatsApp group in the video description and also in the comment section. Right, so once you join the WhatsApp group, that is where I will be dropping the link for this particular platform in that WhatsApp group. So guys, enjoy. This is what I have for us in today's video. Join the beautiful family by smashing that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Right, you know what to do. Smash the like button for the appreciation of the value you just got in today's video. Now, this is my honest opinion. Whatever, anything that deals with investment, make sure you remove greed out of the equation. All right, yes, remove greed out of the equation. Something could happen. All right, this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Whichever thing you need to do, make sure you also do your due diligence, make your own research, and then make sure you are the one that is giving yourself the instruction or the go ahead to perform any single thing online. All right, yes. So guys, I wouldn't want this video to take time. Keep winning and know that Leo loves you. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.